I always loved solving Rubik's cubes, but I was never particularly good at it. So today I want to change that. And I want to tick off another item of the list that's on my wall. You can't see it right now. The item is solve a Rubik's cube in under 45 seconds in the next 7 days. And my previous best was a minute and 2 seconds. I just have to put in the work. So let's go.
Good morning. Today is the day I start trying to solve this Rubik's Cube. So I'm going to be switching to a method called CFOP, which stands for I have no idea.
Hello. Haven't really been practicing yesterday. We'll see how this goes. If you couldn't tell, I was really sick in the morning, so I had to go to the doctor's, get a blood draw, and I have some sort of virus. I feel alright, but the doctor told me to stay on this couch and drink a lot of water. Good morning. I'm very sick again. You can hear it in my voice. I'm finding it hard to speak right now. Let's get started. Okay, I'm doing alright. I just did a 53 point something second solve, but I still got about 10 seconds, which is a lot. So I gotta keep trying. I just had a 46.8 second solve. Heartbreaking. Finally, it happened. After a few more very close attempts, like I'm talking 47 seconds, I finally got it. .20 seconds. It was a good scramble and I got to skip a part of solving the cube, but it still counts. While I was doing this for like 2 weeks and not succeeding, I feel relief and I'm so happy I did. Now we get to cross off another item of that list. Here we go. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.